If I had to start a brand new Etsy print-on-demand store tomorrow, this is the niche that I would do. Because this one niche sells all year round, it specifically sells in the typically deader months of the summer for print-on-demand. And most of the time, I'd say 90 at least percent of the orders are bulk orders. Most niches on Etsy, including the ones that I am in, don't sell in bulk. People aren't buying 20 t-shirts, they're not buying 30 t-shirts, they're not buying 10 mugs. I do have a few listings in my store that are group focused, but there is one niche where every single thing is bought in bulk. Imagine you sell 15 orders in one day, but they're all one product orders. Your profit's not gonna be that much. You're maybe gonna make about 150 to 200 bucks if you're just selling t-shirts. But imagine you make 15 orders and every single order you get is above 5 to 10 products. Well, you just 5 to 10 times your profit, if not higher, because now you get to group all the shipping price and you're just paying a flat shipping fee and then a slightly little more for every additional product ordered. Versus, again, if someone buys one product at a time, you're also having to pay the full price for shipping for every single order. So you're even losing more on your profit margin. And what's extra unique about this niche as well is not only are they ordering in bulk, so maybe they're ordering 15 t-shirts, but they're also looking for other products as well. Maybe they want a bulk of stickers, a bulk of tote bags, a bulk of blankets, for example. They're usually not just buying one product because this niche is wild. And on top, this niche has a deadline, meaning people aren't going to just keep pushing off an order. It's got a high emotional tie-in. People are going to want to remember this event for the rest of their life, so they're willing to pay more for quality. And 3, personalization kills it. People are willing to pay that extra amount for the personalization on all the products they buy for this niche. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about what this niche is, how to differentiate yourself in a sea of people already selling in this niche, and the different and unique products that I would bring to this niche as well. So last year, I went to a bachelorette party and it had 17 girls. I don't know 17 girls, that's crazy. But my friend had 17 close girlfriends and we went all out for this bachelorette. We had matching t-shirts, matching tote bags. We had matching kind of sticks with the groom's face on it. We had matching tumblers. There was a whole gift bag of matching products for all 17 girls. So while usually when I'm talking about niches or finding your niche, and what I've typically done in my stores is I've stuck to sweatshirts and t-shirts and I've just sold in different niches. Versus in this niche, you're able to kind of differentiate your store by focusing on advertising that you are a bachelorette, or even more unique, a bachelor party store that offers a bunch of different products to fill all of their buying needs for this special event in their life. If you go onto Etsy and look up just bachelorette party to see what people are buying for these, you're gonna see more than just t-shirts, though t-shirts are an awesome route to go around this because it's probably the most constant product purchase. But if we scroll down, you're gonna see so many different products that are bestsellers. We have t-shirts, we have glasses, we have these can coolers, we have these bags, we have matching tattoos, we've got these cups. And using my Everbee extension, I can see just how much these are selling a month. And by the way, if you don't have Everbee yet, you can get it in my description below and get a free month. It's a BOGO deal. So if you were waiting to get Everbee, I would go and grab that. But if we start just scrolling down, yes, not everything is a print on demand option, but so many of these are available through print on demand that are making thousands a month. That was actually just the first page. Let us open all of the items here and we can see again just how much money is made a month on just one product for bachelorette parties. We have this shirt here. This one has had close to 9,000 sales, makes around 470 monthly sales, that's not in dollars, and all of those sales, all those 470 sales aren't 470 shirts. They're probably that times 10 because people aren't buying this as just a one-off gift. They're buying one for everybody. This is the most versatile niche in product, but also in sub-niches, which we're going to get to a little bit later. But let's first talk about the different products that I would sell that can be offered easily through print on demand, like hats. We have this one here advertised as a bachelorette bachelorette party hat, a bachelor party hat, where people are able to put in their custom names. So the Miller, this one is advertised or kind of shown that it could be anything, but a lot of the advertising is going towards bachelorette party hat. And there are so many hat options and different styles that are doing really well. So we have that one. We have some here making 202 sales a month. We have this bride club one. We have the wife of the party. And there's also a bunch of different style of hats that you can offer, whether it be trucker hats, dad caps, corded caps. You can do things like bucket hats as well. Here we have the trucker hat, and you can appeal to just different types of groups by using different hats. You can honestly have a hat bachelorette party store and make a killing on Etsy with just that one product. And on Printify, you can get all of these types of hats and offer some new ones that maybe haven't been introduced to Etsy yet. We have the classic dad caps. We have this new one, which is, I don't know what it means to be a USA made dad hat. Maybe that is a brand, but we have this one, like a mid-profile baseball cap. We have a corded cap, which is new. We have this new mesh one that has kind of a like leopard pattern at the back. We have beanies. We have, scrolling down, we have ones that have leather patches. We have the bucket hats. This one is a newer one that I think could kill it on Etsy, this garment washed baseball cap. But again, there's 2 pages full of different caps or hats that you could offer. Another product you can get from Printify.com, which is my #1 supplier when it comes to selling print on demand on both Etsy and Shopify. But if you do research on Etsy, you're gonna see print on demand towels, bachelorette towels, make a killing. And there's a few different options that you can get from Printify. This new one and this style is doing really well on Etsy, and this is an embroidered beach throw, but they also have just plain towels where you can fully do the full front of the design. So you can appeal to different sub niches within the bachelorette niche. This is one that we had for the bachelorette party that I went to. The one that I had was actually a plain tote bag, but I've also seen a lot lately this zippered canvas tote bag doing really well. And also on Etsy, there's tons of different variations of tote bag that you could offer. So if I look up bachelorette tote on Etsy, we're gonna see so many different styles. We have this zippered one that I just showed you that just fits in the name. So you can put in the different name of all your bachelorette guests. But we have some of the more simple ones as well, where it's more graphic design focused. And this one is the Monster Digital Liberty Bag, which is available on Printify. And again, scrolling down, just seeing tons of popular now and bestseller tags, meaning this is a great product to offer to this niche. Another one that I see making probably some of the most sales in this niche are personalized can coolers. So we have this one here, and usually it's just decorated to match whatever their theme is, where people can put the custom names again of all their guests here. So this one is from Imagine Your Photos. It comes in different sizes as well for this one. And you can see here right now, stripes and blue is doing really well, but that is just a current trend. There are so many of these also that just have the bestseller and the popular now tags because this product does so well for this niche. And this product doesn't apply to every niche out there, but specifically for this one, it makes a killing. This customized jewelry travel case was one of the best-selling products on Etsy for a period of time, and it is still doing well if it is something that you offer, especially alongside a lot of other products out there. This could be great for asking someone to be their bridesmaid, which kind of fits within this niche as well. Not only do you have to go for the bachelorette niche, but you can go for asking these girls to be part of your wedding because everyone gives gifts with that as well. I got a bunch of gifts when asked to be part of the bachelorette group. So you can also do kind of that and turn on things. And just getting into some ideas I would try in my store if I was doing this niche. One is, this is called a custom shaped pillow, which most people assume is going to be for a pet, but I think it could do really well if someone printed out their partner's face on it. So bride's face or the groom's face, and sold that to bachelorette parties or as wedding gifts. I think this would be hilarious. See, this one here is a blow up doll, but it looks very similar to the pillow. And the reason I think the pillow could absolutely kill it. We have this brand new Explorer Sling Bag, which can both be DTF printed and embroidery printed. So this one is brand new to Printify, so I actually haven't seen it much on Etsy yet, but that is the beauty of this niche, is because there's so many different products. If you can just offer something new to this market, there is going to be some groups that want to get something like this. And the minute I saw this Explorer Sling Bag, that's actually what gave me the idea for this YouTube video, because I thought this will make a killing, especially because they offer it in pink. This is going to do so well. I bet you in 1 week, or by the time I even post this YouTube video, people are going to be having this listed. There is so much versatility when it comes to this niche. You can niche down on product and appeal to a bunch of different sub niches. So when I talk about sub niches, it's kind of the theme of the bachelorette party. Some people go camping, so they have a camp bachelorette. Some people go to music festivals and they have music festival themed products. Some people go hiking and they have a hiking theme. Some people go to Miami and they have Miami themed products. Some men go golfing, so they have all golf themed products. So you're not just creating a bachelorette shirt, you are creating a last toast on the coast. You're creating a Las Vegas shirt themed bachelorette party. So you could have so many different designs just doing t-shirts, or just doing mugs, or just doing tote bags. Or if you have all the time in the world, you can focus on just getting out new products and maybe having a higher level niche, or you can still sub niche down, but just offering products that maybe haven't been offered to this niche before and differentiating yourself on that level. There is no wrong answer to what you can sell in this niche. Again, people have such different ideas for what they want. For my bachelorette party, I dress up as a princess and I played volleyball. And I had a princess themed bachelorette party and it was wonderful. Scrolling down, we have ones that celebrate their dogs. We have ones who have gone clubbing in Miami. We have this one here, a Mamma Mia one. We have this one is a bachelorette and it kind of looks like a tour. So Tay's Batch Tour. And again, just scrolling, so many different products. So find a way to stick out, again, whether it be sub niches, sticking to one product, testing a bunch of new products, and just get out a lot there. And there is so much room for people in this niche. Let me know in the comments below if this is something you've tried in your store or something that you want to try in your store. And if this video inspired you at all or helped you at all, if you could please drop a like and subscribe, that would help me so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.